Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Hammer Airflow True Wireless Earphones. Now, this is the top side of the packaging where you can see just the brand name as well as the model name. Aside from that, you don't get to see anything at all. On the sides, you've got various alphabets or letters from the brand name. Not much to talk about actually. On the back side, you've got a couple of features. It states that this pair of earbuds uses Bluetooth 5.0. The battery on each of the earbuds happens to be 45 milliamp hours. The charging case has about 300 milliamp hours worth of battery. And charging time for the entire thing is 1 to 2 hours. And working time, that is the playback time, is 2.5 hours. You can operate these things from your smartphone or whichever device you've connected to from up to 10 meters away. You've got some information regarding contacting the manufacturer or importer. And if you wish to register for warranty, there's a little QR code on the bottom right side. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So on the inside, you've got the charging case. It opens up. The top is translucent, as you can see. You've got a little button in the center, pressing which lights up LEDs on the front, showing you how much charge it already has. On the back side, you've got a micro USB interface to charge the charging case as well as the buds that have been placed in it. Then you've got the earbuds. Then you've got the charging cable. This is micro USB and the length is about 15 to 20 centimeters. It uses a micro USB interface as we saw previously. And on the other end, you have a USB Type A interface. Then you've got additional ear tips. These come in large and small size. The medium ones are pre-installed on the earbuds. Then you've got a couple of documents on the inside with QR codes on the back. You can scan this to go to the website. You can scan this to initiate the warranty registration process. Flip this around. You've got all the details regarding your warranty coverage. Then you've got the user manual. Always read through the user manual to understand exactly how to operate your device and if at all it has any unique features that you should be aware of. So that's it for the unboxing of the Hammer Airflow True Wireless Earbuds. Thank you for watching.